You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name with this a bit more confusing spelling correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced, I've got many more videos for you. I'll link to a few for you at the end of this one. It's from Greek, meaning victory and people. The English pronunciation is as Nicholas. The French pronunciation, Nicolas. Nicholas in English. Nika, the CH is pronounced like a K, alright? Again, it's from Greek. Nicholas, stress on the first syllable. Nicholas. Nicholas. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.